Hey everybody, Mike here with Cactus Crawlers RC. Thanks for coming by and checking out the channel today. Well, I am back with the UTB18, and this is the Baja Bug build that I've been working on. And I'm hoping in this video that we're going to go ahead and wrap it up so I could get it out on the trail. So in my last video, I went ahead and I presented the Baja Bug body with the color that I painted it, and I painted it a really cool orange. So what I've done at this point is I've painted the ends of my body mount studs in orange, if you could see that. And then that way, when the body's installed, then you know, it wouldn't be some shiny stud sticking out the side. They would be body colored, and hopefully they hide a little bit. So as far as the body goes, I have done some fine detail touch-ups on here, and here's where we're at. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and I masked off this chrome strip that Volkswagens have, and I painted it in silver. So once I had that done, I went ahead and started painting all the other parts of a Volkswagen body that are silver. So of course the door handles are going to be silver or chrome. These wing vent windows, they also get chromed out on the Volkswagen, and I've got it on both sides. And then I did the rear tail light, and on a Volkswagen there's a chrome ring that goes around the tail lamps. So what I did is I just painted everything in chrome, and going up around the edge there. And then I came back and I painted this in an amber yellow, turn signal yellow, and this in the red. So that's how I was able to do the tail light chrome. After the chrome, I decided I was going to go ahead and do the rubber seals that are around the windows. And for these, I didn't mask it off because of all the curves and the turns. I just thought it might be easier just to freehand it. So it's not perfect, but I think it's going to be okay. And those are the body details that I've been working on. And so now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to try to protect all this painting that I've done. So I picked up this can of gloss clear from Rust-Oleum, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clear the whole body, and hopefully what that'll do is twofold. I'm going to protect all these little details that I've painted, and maybe it's going to give the bug a little bit more of a shine. Oh, and really quick, one other thing I did is I went ahead and I painted the running boards in black. There and there. So besides the body, I was also able to finish up my driver here. And I went ahead and I painted him up in a flat green jumpsuit. I painted his helmet in silver as well. And I painted the steering wheel and added this little piece in there, this little wood dowel, to act as a steering column and attach it to the dashboard. So I know he looks kind of goofy in there, but you know, he's not really the focus. The focus is the bug itself. So now that he's all done, I could go ahead and once I get the glass installed in the bug body, then I could go ahead and attach the interior permanently on the inside. I could glue that in. And another thing I've noticed about the Sand Scorcher body is when it comes to all the glass, you get the windshield and you get the side windows, but you get no back window. There's no back window on this thing. So I went ahead and trimmed out some clear Lexan, and I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the inside of the body there, and then that way I'll have a rear window in this build. So that's how I'm going to take care of that. All right, everybody. Let's go ahead and we're going to get this clear sprayed on this body. Once that dries, we could go ahead and start finishing putting everything together. We'll glue that interior in here, and I think that should wrap up this build. All right, everybody, we'll be right back. All right, everybody, I am back with the body, and it got clear coated, and look how nice that turned out. Wow, that's got a really cool shine on it. That is awesome. So the last thing I need to do is install the windows, put on the headlights and the other small accessories, and glue in the interior, and I think we're going to be done. So I'm going to do that next, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so there we go. For now, I am going to call this project done. So I have installed the headlights on there. I've got the turn signals, and they're painted in amber. I've got the mirrors installed. I've got the glass in, and I've got the back window in there. And that was a little bit tricky. I think what I should have done was use a heat gun to go ahead and soften up that plastic, so it could have taken that curve a whole lot better, but it's in there now, and it's not going to come out, so I think that's going to be good. I've got the windshield wipers painted and installed, and I've got my little VW emblem right there on the hood. So the only things that I haven't put on yet are the license plates. I didn't want to use the license plate decals that came with the Sand Scorcher. I'm probably going to think of something to do different, so I didn't install them. Yeah, but here we are. It is ready to go. All right, everybody, tell me what you think. Did the UTB18 Sand Scorcher project come out pretty good? I think it did, and I love it. Now the next thing to do is get this out on the trail, get a video of it crawling around. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this episode of Cactus Crawlers RC. Come back again next time. I'm going to get some running footage of the UTB18 Sand Scorcher Baja Bug, and we'll see you all then.